There was only one thing that I wanted to buy during the Gymshark sale, and it completely sold out before I got to it. So instead, I bought a bunch of completely random things, and I'm gonna do a try on haul for you today. I have one serious problem with it. Listen, Gymshark, some of us need the padding. I did not think I'd like them as much as I do. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Angela and I'm so happy you're joining me here today for another try on haul. I feel like it's been a hot minute since I've done a try on haul. Be sure to hit that subscribe button to follow along for more content on beauty, fitness, and self-care as a mom of 2 kids. All right, so in past videos I talked about how I had been losing hope in some of the Gymshark drops until that soft sculpt seamless collection came out, which I absolutely loved. I'm here always for basics that are affordable yet good quality that I can wear all the time. After this soft sculpt collection dropped, they dropped the Energized collection, and I wasn't too sure about these leggings with the seam running all the way up the back. I just didn't think it was very flattering, but I added the Energized Seamless Sports Bra to my cart so fast. Exactly what I was looking for, something minimal, functional, with super bright colors for summer. So I was almost checking out until I saw the price of this sports bra. The cost of this sports bra in Canada is $72 Canadian, which is bananas. That's right up there with the Aloe high-end brands. And in my opinion, just a little bit too much money for a sports bra. So I waited and waited and waited for the sale so that I could get this sports bra at a discounted price, something a little bit more reasonable. And of course, when I logged in, they were all sold out. So I was super sad and ended up just adding a bunch of things to my cart as quickly as I could because things were selling like hotcakes. And that brings me to our try on haul. Now I'm still really excited about these pieces. I'm excited to try them on, but I wasn't gonna do a try on haul and then realize that I hadn't seen anyone speak to how some of these pieces fit. So here we go. Okay, the Ribbed Contour Leggings. I had never seen these on the website before until I was browsing during the sale. Actually comes in some really nice bright summery colors, but naturally I chose black. I wear my thinner, low compression legacy black leggings all the time. So I just wanted something else where I could mix it up. Now it's got the ribbing detail from top all the way to the bottom. What I love about it is it's got a tone-on-tone logo, so similar to the Legacy. It's nothing that's white against the black. It's kind of nice and muted. It is a seamless front with a scrunch bum in the back. So I'm excited to give these a try. I'm hoping that I love them and that maybe I can purchase them in some of the other fun colors because again, I didn't love the look of the Energized leggings with the seam of the back. So this one I'm hoping is a little bit more flattering on me. Okay, I absolutely love these. I did not think I'd like them as much as I do. They are so soft. So the material is very similar to the Legacy material. So a thinner material, lower compression. I will say size extra small, feels really good. It's fitting true to size. It's a little bit snug right out of the bag, but I know that it'll loosen up a little bit. I don't know if you can see the pretty rib detailing. Harder to see in the black, but again, it just gives a basic black legging a little bit of something extra. So again, it is seamless in the front, so feeling really comfortable. In the back, we do have a dipped Y seam here. I don't know if you can see it. And then there is a scrunch in the bum. So I feel like I don't have a lot of extra material to get this where it's supposed to be, but I like the look of it. And that's what I like about Legacy is that it's such a subtle scrunch that even if it's laying flat on your butt, it just looks like a regular legging. There's nothing worse than when it's laying flat on your butt and then you can just see the scrunch here. So you can see that it's laying completely flat. And if I wanted to, I could size up and then get a little bit of extra material in there to get a little bit more glute separation, but I'm loving the way this looks. As far as I know, this only comes in the one length, so I am tall, but it's fitting right at my ankle. Really like the feel of these. They'd be really good for yoga, Pilates, even lifting. In the black, it is squat proof. I'm not sure about the other colors, but so cute. I got the everyday seamless midi tube top, and this is in the color white, and this is in the size extra small. Now, extra small is my true size at Gymshark. I bought everything in my true size. I will put my measurements down below. This tube top is so cute. Now, I've been struggling to find a cute tube top for summer. Reason being is I find my shoulders are a little bit broader now, a little bit more muscular, so I just don't look as cute in a tube top as I used to, but I wanted to give this one a try because again, the models wearing them online were so cute and I knew that I would love this really soft, breathable material. So we've got the ruching in the front, we've got a small Gymshark logo in the back, kind of tone on tone, and then there aren't removable pads, but it is double lined. It kind of has the built-in bra, which has the elastic at the bottom. So let's try this on and see what we think about it. I'm loving how this tube top fits, but I have one serious problem with it in that even though it is double lined, I can't go out in public like this. I need to have padding in here. I'm gonna just put some pads in so I can show you what the shirt looks like without showing you guys more than I want to show. All right, I feel a little bit more comfortable now. Now, just a note, there aren't spaces for cup pads in this, so don't think that I slipped cup pads in here. I kind of just stuck them on top just to be a little bit more decent on camera. So something to keep in mind. Honestly, I love the look of it. I feel like if I could, I would actually sew these right in because I tried on a lot of tube tops, like I've said, and I just find that they don't look as cute and I get a lot of overhang right here. But I love, love, love the way this one's fitting. It's super soft. Like I said, it does have the kind of built-in bra here. Double lined for those of you that have a bigger chest and maybe can get away with no bra or padding at all. Got the nice ruche detailing in the front, and like I said, in the back, it's just got the Gymshark logo. Like you can barely tell that it's a Gymshark shirt. Actually, you can't tell at all because my hair is covering it. So honestly, you could wear this with jean shorts, you could wear this out, you could wear this with sweatpants, you could even wear it to yoga and it would stay in place. I guess that's why they call it everyday seamless. Let me know your thoughts about this one. Next up, I have the twist front bralette. And if you've seen some of my other Gymshark try-on hauls, you know that I struggle with Gymshark bras. They just don't fit me great because I find that I need an extra small because I have a really small bust, but I find that it's always too tight here or digging here, and I usually need some padding because of how small my bust is. So I don't know why I randomly added this to cart. It was too good of a price to pass up. So it looks itty bitty. This is an extra small. It's the twist front, and this is in the color purple. It's got the nice tone on tone logo. I'm so happy that they're doing tone on tone now. Super cute twist detail in the front, and then there are adjustable straps. So gonna give this a go and hoping that it works out. I think it would be perfect because I've started doing hot yoga again. I think this would be perfect for that. So fingers crossed. Listen, Gymshark, some of us need the padding. Because this one's a darker color, I can get away with wearing it out in public and still feeling decent. I just find it's not as flattering on someone with a small bust. Like, look at the difference between this and that. Given a little bit more, feeling more comfortable, more supported, like, I feel like that's not too hard to ask. It's a low support sports bra. Love the twist front. I'm absolutely loving this color with my skin tone. Nice adjustable straps and laying flat across the back. You do have to slide it on over your head and then it just kind of sits in place. Super cute. Again, I'm just not sure that I can get away with wearing this in the gym without having some type of nipple cover on. I don't know how you girls wear the minimal bra. I just feel like my tiny chest can't handle that. All right, Gymshark, do us a favor and just provide the option to include pads. Like, you don't have to give us the pads, just the option to include them. Okay, I cheated. I have purchased this bra before, but I absolutely love it. It's my version of the minimal bra because this one has the option to add padding in it. I just find the minimal bra does not look flattering on me at all because I have such a small bust. So this is the Ruched Strappy Sports Bra in the color pink, and I have this in kind of olive green color, which I wear all the time. I just love the back detailing. It's kind of open, and the front, like I said, it's a little bit more coverage than the minimal, and it's got the nice ruche detailing as well. So I'm gonna find my pads to put in here and give this a go. Just love the bright color. This one is more my jam. I wear my other bra like this all the time for lifting, for yoga, for spin. It's just so good. The only annoying thing about it is the straps are not adjustable for this. So it's got the really nice strappy detailed back. However, the straps are not adjustable. So I do find myself sometimes pulling this up a little bit to have it sit more comfortably, but I love this. It's got the spots for the removable cup pads, got the nice ruched detailing. It's just minimal enough for me. The open back for a really nice back day. You can see all of your muscles when you're lifting. And I mean, you can't go wrong with this color. This ruched bra comes in so many different colors. Let me know if you tried this one and if it's a favorite of yours too. The thing with the Gymshark sale is you have to be really careful because some items are actually marked final sale. So I made sure that most of the things that I purchased were not final sale because I have no idea how they're gonna fit at all. This was the only thing I purchased that's final sale, but you guys know how much I love my basics. I'll tag my basics video here where I talk about how I love basic colored pump covers because then you can mix and match and wear with whatever color. Makes your workout wardrobe a little bit more versatile versus buying like a colored shirt that you can't necessarily wear with everything. So this is the collegiate style crop top. It's super, super cropped. Again, I wear my Legacy crop like this all the time, but it's in a light green, so I can't really pull it off with everything. This one's just a black. It's super, super soft. The Gymshark writing is kind of in a tan color, and that's the same color as the logo on the back. So it's really, really soft shirt. If you're looking for a cropped pump cover, I highly recommend these ones from Gymshark. They're breathable, they're soft, and they still look really cute in the gym. If you haven't invested in a pump cover from Gymshark, this is your sign to do so. I'm obsessed. I reach for a different one every morning. I feel like I can never have enough of them. I have some really oversized ones on the days where maybe I don't feel like showing as much, and then I have some cropped ones like this where it is showing a little bit of my stomach, but not a crazy amount, still feeling really covered. Something I love about the pump covers that are oversized is you're not getting any of the tightness under your arms when you're lifting. Just super comfortable, super basic. I think it's definitely a staple for everyone's workout wardrobe. Definitely worth buying pieces like this during the sales because although this one was final sale, I'm obviously not going to return it, and it was super cheap and I'm going to wear it all the time. I think this was one of my most successful try-on hauls that I've done. Usually a third or half of the pieces I end up exchanging for different sizes or different colors or just not liking altogether, and I absolutely love all of these pieces. I'm going to keep every single one of them, although I think I am going to alter the sports bra and the tube top to actually have padding in them just so I'm feeling a little bit more comfortable when I'm out and about. If you have any questions about any of the pieces, be sure to drop them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I really appreciate you being here, checking out all my try-on hauls and the love on all of my other videos. Again, be sure to subscribe to follow along for more try-on hauls that I have coming up. I hope you all have a great day and bye for now.